When you're selecting the right candidates, you have to look for fit with the job, fit with the team, fit with the leadership, and fit with the company. When we have those four levels of fit, we're going to ensure that we have far more long-lasting employees that do the things that we want them to do. We can't expect people to go above and beyond and to fill our front line with superstars. We're blessed when we get them, but we're far more likely to scale our business filled with ordinary people that have the right attitude and aptitude. When we do that, we can garner and corral our superstars, which there's less of, into our management and leadership departments to drive sales through these wonderful people. This is how you're going to scale exponentially faster than trying to scale by putting the whole front line as a series of superstars. Find the right people, make them the right type of leader for your business, and you're going to have greater success in recruiting the candidates that you're looking for and driving exponential profitable growth.